Let's go over how to subtract 5/12 and 1/4 using a number line. I'm going to start by putting my benchmark numbers. 0. I'm going to put 1/2 here because I notice both of my fractions are less than 1/2, and I'm subtracting, so my answer is going to be even smaller than 1/2. I know 1/4 is half of 1/2, and I know 5/12 is close to 1/2. First, I'm going to think about 12ths and what I know about 12ths and 1/2. I know from 0 to 1/2, this whole section is equivalent to 6/12. For my question, I'm wondering just about this part, 1/4 and 5/12, but I'm going to use the 6/12 to help me. So I see that from 0 to 1/2 is equivalent to 6/12. I can figure out from 0 to 1/4 that would be half of 6/12. Well, I know half of 6 is 3, so 3/12 is equivalent to 1/4. That tells me that from 1/4 to 1/2 I have 3/12. I know from 5/12 to 1/2 this would be 1/12. So from 1/4 to 5/12 I need to figure out the difference. 3/12 minus this 1/12 equals 2/12. This area right here is equal to 2/12. I notice that's not on my answer choices, so I'm going to picture what 2/12 would look like as an area model and use that to help me put it in simplest form. Here's 2/12. I'm going to circle my 2/12, and then I'm going to make groups of 2. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 2, and one of those groups is shaded. So I can see that 2/12 is equal to 1/6. Go back over to my answer choices, and 1/6 is an answer that is there.